Okay, we're starting a new ride. We're out here at the state park in Cape Sandblast. Yep, the one they redid. It's all new. That's the new bathrooms. We're in the day area right now. Let's go for a bike ride. It's gonna be windy today. There's some more people riding. Got nice brand new pavilions. Wow, very nice. And then you could go up there and go over to the beach, over those dunes. Right now it's red flag and it's windy. This is the parking area for the day use. Here at Cape Sandblast State Park, what's it called? St. Joe's State Park, I think. Let's go see what it looks like. The ocean's right over there. See? And it looks like they're adding sand to the dunes. I saw some construction guys out there with the sand. Beautiful day, man. A little windy, but it's 75 degrees. Almost no humidity. And the wind's kind of busting us a little bit. Man. It's getting windier. That's alright. We're out on the Peninsula. I can't remember the name of the state park. St. Joe something. Port St. Joe. Let's go over to the campground. See, they're working over here putting new dunes in. Look at that, added sand. Reclamation from the old hurricane from 2018. They're still working. Alright, let's go this way. You might hear me better. We're going with the wind. What's the name of the state park, Vic? No. It's St. Joe something. Here's camping and cabins entrance. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that out there. That's just beautiful. Wow. Caution, alligators. They got alligators here. Catch anything? Not yet. Wow. We're right out at the point. That's why it's windy. This is out in the middle of the ocean. Or ocean. The Gulf of, what is it called now? The Gulf of what? America? Mexico? Mexico, America? Whatever you want to call it. Gulf of Florida. They should call it. Beautiful day. Man, can't beat this day. Can't beat it. What they got going on there? They're doing something. That looks like some kind of drainage stuff. They just rebuilt the campground. They opened it last, what was it, fall of 23, right? Yeah. It was closed from 2018 until October of 23 because a hurricane blew it away. Hurricane Michael. And now it's a beautiful campground. When we were here 2 years ago, we couldn't come over here because they were working on it. This area was closed. So let me show you the campground while we're here. Alright, I'll show you when I get there. Alright, we just entered the campground area. We went through a gate. It's gated, actually. It's got key cards. And we're gonna go through the campsites. There's not many, but you should see these things, man. They're beautiful. Let's see. That's not it. That must be worker camping section. Is that for work campers? Huh. Boy, what a beautiful day. Look at this.
No, there's not much wind over here now.
No, there's no wind here. We're protected here. Well, I think when we get out of that point where the campground is, it's going to get windy again. That's some kind of a service area there. Camp workers work there, maybe live there. I don't know. You know what I know. Let's see. Cabins are to the right. Shady Pines camping area is straight ahead. Let's go there. Beautiful. Quiet. February, what's today? The 12th? I don't even know what day it is. It's Wednesday. Whatever day that is. I think it's the 12th. Here's the dumpsters. Right at the entrance. Let's see. They got bottle recycling here. Here we are. We're entering the campground right now. You gotta see this. We drove through here last year when it was open for the first time since the hurricane. So this is the second winter that it's open. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the right, sites 21 to 46. Hi guys. Hey, there's a Beyond, LI3. Hey, hey, hey. Who's there? Site 24. We got a Beyond from Wisconsin. Huh. Look at these sites. Aren't they nice? Now that's a handicap site because it's concrete. 26. Here's 27. Look how nice that is. Perfect for a B-van. Look at that. Man, what a beautiful campground, huh?
Oh,
They did a nice job fixing this up.
yeah, it's one of my favorites.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. See, truck campers. Oh, there's a bus. It says, Wyoming. There's a road trek. Wow. That's an old one. And then they got these here. I forgot. Yeah, they got this. This is like a pull-through. Pull-around. They got that little bushwhacker in it. See? And these guys got water and sewer. Yeah, they got sewer. There's a Lance camper. There's an old BT Cruiser. Site 41. Winnie, Chateau. Who's this up here? Oh, they got a big one in here too. Someone got a Lego Red. Here's a Solus from Georgia. Windy. Wind is blowing. Look at this place. Oh, look at the boardwalk. See that? You go out to the beach, go over to Dunes. Alright, let's go around the other way. What a beautiful place. Those are the bathrooms right there next behind Beyond LI3. Brand new bathrooms. Look at this place. All new. Look at these campsites. Nice site. Look at that. Water pod. Another bathroom on this side. They got parking. They got spots for your bikes. See, when you come here and go in the showers, they got wash machines. Look at that. Men and women. What's that? Where's the Nova? Hey, yeah, there's a Nova. Hey. Somebody's here. That's a nice site. These are all nice. See that? Look what that Imagine is. See how they got that spot that's a little extra that's gravel? And they got grass. So there's no sand on this point. Really nice. Here's another Solus. That's a pull-through. That's a nice site. Wow, that's a big long one. Very nice. Huh. And this one's got like a screened-in porch. Check that out. That's cool. That's a cool one. With a screened-in porch. Boy, this is a nice campground. They did a good job fixing this up. Look at these nice sites. They got a lot of gravel, a lot of grass. Oh, there's a play. Road Trek. Road Trek play. Coachman freezed in there. There's a hurricane. So you can come here with a small motorhome, 33 footer or so, and go kayaking, huh?
Yeah, a little windy, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Here, I'm gonna go back around this way. Maybe I might be able to see this better in the sun. Check this out. Look at these nice sights. Look at that. There are the red solas. I'm gonna go back this way again. Very nice. There's the bathrooms right there. There's someone from New York. Here you are from Ohio. How you doing? Yep. Minnesota with that little tiny camper thing. Here's an old Airstream. Look at that road trek, boy. That thing's from back in the 90s. Pretty cool. Huh. They got a bus. Very nice. Very cool. And there's the bathrooms right there. And this is a handicap spot. This one. So they even got handicap spots. Hey, better than Canada. It's Ontario, huh? There's someone from Wisconsin, but they're beyond LI3. I don't know, they're not there right now, I don't think. That's a nice sight too, this one on the corner. Look at that. Alright, that's the campground. Let's go see the cabin. Very nice. So this is the way out from the campground. Look at it. It's all redone. All brand new. That's a nice spot. It's out on a point on this peninsula. Very nice. Alright, let me get the cabins. Okay, we're getting near the cabins. They got nature trails all around here too. Group camping right there. Huh. Look at this place. They got some gigantic dunes here too. There's cabins right there to the right. Let's see if we can see them. Here's cabins 1 and 2. Let's go see them. Hopefully don't get in trouble. Here's cabins 1 and 2. They're right on the water. Look at that. You can rent these. See that? Very nice. Go walk out to the water and everything. That's cabin 1 and 2. Let's go see the other cabins. Let me make sure there's no one coming. There's nobody out here but us, really. More cabins up here. Here's cabins 3 and 4. Let me go around in a circle here. There's cabin 3. And here's cabin 4. Right there. Someone's here from Wisconsin. Cabin 3 and 4. Let's check, make sure no one's coming. Here's cabins 5 and 6. How did I guess? Let's go right around them. Here, parking area. Here's cabin 5. See that? Even got an outdoor shower. Cabin 6, see that? You get all the salt off you. They're from Alabama, renting here. They got little outdoor showers. See the outdoor showers? Yeah. Alright, we'll go up here one more. There's some kind of a sign. Look at how high the dunes are. I don't know if you can see how high they are, but these dunes right over there, they're gigantic. They're got to be 3 stories high. Here's cabin 7 and 8. Woo! There's 7, there's 8. They're rented. People in them. Let's get this way. What's this? Uh-oh, alligators. Road closed. Wow. Let's go see what's up here by these dunes. I can't remember what was here before. Oh, there's a walkway. That's right. You can walk out. Red flag today. It's very windy. It says here high hazard. Red flag. No booze allowed. There's the dunes. And the water's right over those dunes. Alright. We're going to head back the other way. Okay. We're at Scallop Cove 2. See that? That's the little shop here at the public area where they have the boat ramps. Boat ramps are right there. So you can bring a boat in here. This is before you get to the day use area and the campground. So they have the boat ramps here. And they have the Eagle Harbor concession stand. That's what it is. See, this is the boat ramp. You can put your boats in right here. See, it's kind of protected. There's some pontoon boats out there. And they got kayaks. The beach is right here. Let's see the beach. There's Vicky. Very shallow. There's the beach. There's people on the beach. Vicky's taking a picture. See any sharks? Birds are out there. Pelicans. See this nice beach here. Cape San Blas. Peninsula State Park. Very nice. Look at that. Very shallow. Huh. This is in the middle where the boat ramp is. Alright. We'll see if we can find any more. There's bathrooms right there where that red flag is. Public bathrooms right there straight ahead. Alright. Okay, we're riding the road on the way out of the peninsula right now. This is the road. You can ride your bike on this. I don't know, it goes for probably about 2 miles. Something like that. But it's beautiful. There's the ocean right over to my left. On this side. And then on the other side you can't really see it. Oh, here comes the van. A lot of bee vans here. Alright, let's see some more. Okay, we're at the ranger station. That's the exit. This is the entrance. I'm gonna go this way. I didn't get a map when I came in. I should ask him for a map. Let me see if I could ask him for a map.
They said it so you know we made it.
Hey, can I have a map?
Why?
I don't know. I
You've
just
been
want
here
one.
before, right?
Yeah, I know.
The road didn't change.
No, I know. But I want one. Oh, she took. Now I gotta wait for her because I got a ticket to get back in.
Oh no.
She went farther than I did.
Uh-oh.
I'll have to go catch her.
You done lost her.
I kept my receipt like you told me. Alright, let's see. Let me go find her now. She just took off. I don't know where she's going. She's going out of the park. This wind. Hi. Windy. Now she went out of the park. I gotta find her. I gotta put this map in my pocket. Hang on. Okay, we're going back in the park. $6 per vehicle. St. Joseph Peninsula. T.H. Stone Memorial State Park. That's the entrance. There's some homes over there next to the state park. They're all brand new because I think they all got blown away with the hurricane. They got a nature trail. See that? Right there. I got several in here. All new homes for next hurricane. You know? It's all brand new now. Hurricane Michael took care of it. Made it all new. Alright, let's head back. Okay, we're at the ranger station. It says welcome. Park admission fee, $6 a vehicle, up to 8 people, $2 a bicycle per person. America's best state parks. No pets on the beach. They got firewood. Watch out for the alligators. Beautiful day. We just entered from the ranger station. There goes someone from Minnesota. The water's over to my right, and there's also water to my left. You can't see it though. We're kind of down. You see. But this is the entrance. Alright, we'll show you some more when we get up a little bit farther. Okay, we're at the Eagle Harbor Marina, Gulf Breeze Beach, day use area. We're back from the ride out. Let's go back in here again so you can see it again. There's the Eagle Harbor concession stand, Scallop Cove 2. You can see the shoreline out there. I don't know if you can see it on video, but see that? I think that's looking toward Port St. Joe. Very cool. Here's the beach. Right there. There's no one on it right now. Might be some sharks out there. Big sharks. Might see some sharks. Nice parking for trailers here. Look at this, for your boats. See that? They got a lot of good parking here, all brand new. And they're redoing the dunes there. See that? That's all new. They added all kinds of sand. You see? The hurricane split the campground off the rest of the peninsula. It made a big divot and turned the campground back at the point into an island. So they had to fill it all back in. Hurricane did some destruction here. Here, let me show you when I get up there. Alright, now you can see how they're redoing the sand dunes. See, they imported all this sand here. And they're rebuilding it. The hurricane like wiped it out big time. This road was gone. This is all new. Like I said, it turned out it dug a big hole that it separated the campground from the rest of the peninsula. Hurricane Michael. See, the water's on that side. You can see the water, and then right over these dunes is the water, so it's not very wide. They're bringing in the sand with these earth movers. Look at this. See? This is from 2018. They're still fixing it. Check that out. See that? They're rebuilding the dunes so they get blown away for the next hurricane. See? So that's it. There's a beach area over here to the right. Day area, that's where we're gonna go. To the day area, I guess. I don't know if she wants to go to the campground or not. Let me see. We did 10 miles. 10, almost 11. Okay, back to the day area. This is all brand new. It was blown away. Can't bring no beer. No overnights. Look at that. There's no one in the parking lot except us and 2 other cars. See, that's a walkover to get to the beach. You walk over to Dunes. So you can see the red flag there. The beach is right there. And then they got these pavilions right here for picnic. And then right there is the bathrooms. Brand new. Brand new. That's it. I got 10.9. About 11 miles. Woo. Windy. At this point, we're out at point. Very windy. Okay, I got 10.9 on my odometer on the bike. Let's see what Vicky has. Boy, what a nice place. Nice bike ride. This is really a nice place. Alright, let me see if she gets back here. Hold on a minute. Okay, how many miles you got?
I got 11.
11? That's what I got, 10.9. What do you on your watch?
11.62 on my watch.
11.6 on a watch. Huh. And I got 10.9 on my odometer. Alright, that's about it. See ya.